Now I have the router sled all set up, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to flatten the cutting board. Now I do have 2 vacuums hooked up, which works pretty good with the dust. I have a Fez tool hooked up to the front, and I have the dust shield in the center. Now I didn't have the correct one for the Harbor Freight router, so I just took, and this one's actually from Rockler, and I went ahead and I just duct taped it on there, and then I just kind of wanted to try this. I didn't even know if it would work, so I bought the dust shield for this, for the Fez tool, and then on the back what I did was I got a attachment for a shop vac. And what it was the bristles, the brush, the little brush. And what it did was it had 2 different size bristles, okay? It had the longer bristles, and then it had the shorter bristles. So with using that, it's catching the shavings and chips, and then they get sucked up. So there's a little bit of a space. I was gonna take and cut them, but then when I found this, I bought this, and then I had to modify it. I had to cut it so it fit in between the sled, and I'll get you a closer look in a minute here. But it's pretty good. I'll get you a closer look, and then I'm gonna do some running with it, and you can see. And it's pretty good. I have this all locked in, nice and tight, and it's not really much dust, a little bit, but nothing major for a router sled. Usually there's dust puking everywhere. So let's go in for a closer look. Now you can see here I have the Rockler shield right there, and I believe that's a new product. I will have that in the link below. If you're interested, click on it. On the other side, which I'm going to have to get over there, on the back side I have that brush like I was talking about. If you look at it right here, you can see the brush, and what I did was cut it, and then I made it right into this, and then I just kind of hinged it on this. Like I said, a lot of duct tape. I didn't even know if this would work. If I'm going to do this all the time, I definitely would come up with some better stuff to make it a little easier to take apart and everything, or just leave it like this and just use this router all the time. So, yep, that's a little bit. I'll go ahead and also you can click on the link in the video. You can also see that dust brush attachment. And I'll go ahead and let's go ahead and run, and you can see it work. Now, it tends to be a lot less dust when you pull the router towards yourself, because that's the rotation of the bit is turning, spitting it back in, and the vacuum's taking it out. So when you go off the end, it shoots a little bit. But if you pull it towards yourself, and then what I do is push it back without being in the material, and then I slide it over and pull it towards myself, it's pretty good. It's, it doesn't shoot a lot of dust. A little bit, but nothing major. So, and I'm taking a pretty good amount off. I'll show you, about 1/8 of an inch at a time. That's about 1/8 of an inch, so it's a pretty good lip. So it's taken quite a bit of material off. So there it is. Hope you like it. There is the router sled, lot less dust. 2 vacuums hooked up. Click on the links below. You can see the attachments that I used and anything I used in the video. Have a great day.